So what's up guys, Mr. Anyone here and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm really bored. Yeah, so I'm gonna do a hearing test. I don't know why, but why not? My age, that. I'm using headphones.
One, two, three.
What?
One, two, three.
You mean?
One, two, three.
What the hell? What's this?
One, two, three. One, two, three.
Okay. Continue. How the test works. This hearing test will help you identify difficulties with understanding speech and noise. Huh? You'll hear different combinations of words first and then numbers, always in groups of three, while background noise varies. Select the three things you hear by selecting the corresponding icon or number shown on the left. If you're trying to miss a word, you can press the replay button. Okay, if you are using headphones, tests will be done for both right and left ears. Finally, if you're using hearing aids, take it off. Oh, I don't have hearing aids.
Choose the words.
Choose the word.
Hand, tree, cars.
Uh-oh. No,
Choose
replay.
the words.
I missed it.
Hand, tree, cars. Choose the words. Chair, hand, book.
Chair, hand, book.
Choose the words. Tree, book, dog.
Tree, book, dog.
Choose the words. Cat, tree, bells.
Uh-huh.
Choose the words. Book, bells, chair.
Wait, what's the first word?
Choose the words. Book, bells, chair.
Book. Book. Something. Chair?
Choose the words. Cat, tree, bells.
Cat, tree, bells?
Choose the words. Book, bells, chair.
Book. Hand? Chair?
Choose the words. Dog, chair, book.
Dog, chair. Wait, no.
Choose the words.
Dog,
Dog.
chair, book.
Choose the words. Cars, hand, tree. Choose the numbers 7, 4, 6.
7, 4, 6.
Choose the numbers 6, 4, 8.
6, 4, 8.
Choose the numbers 4, 3, 5.
4, 3, 5.
Choose the numbers 8, 6, 3.
8, 6, 3.
Choose the numbers 6, 5, 7. Choose the words. Book, king, dog.
Book, king, dog.
Choose the words. Cars, dog, tree.
Uh-huh.
Choose the words. King, cat, hand. Choose the words. Cat, tree, bells.
Cat, re, well.
Choose the words. Book, bells, chair.
Book, bells, chair.
Choose the numbers 5, 3, 7.
5, 3, 7.
Choose the numbers 6, 4, 8.
6, 4, 8.
Choose the numbers 7, 5, 2. Choose the numbers 3, 7, 2. Choose the numbers 2, 7, 4.
4? Get your results. What if I just find me country beans and that. Recommend no need for further action. your results. The hearing test indicates that you do not currently have hearing loss. For more in-depth hearing, we suggest you consult a healthcare professional. How do you hear until you find professional? Best regards. Okay, I'm in the lower end of the spectrum, so no hearing loss. So, yes, I am not deaf, everyone. Congratulations. Sorry, my weird faces there, because oh my god, it was so hard to hear that shit. God damn. Okay. Okay. Like and subscribe. I don't know what this is about. It's pretty lame, right?